Hit me, baby, one more time. Dun, dun. Whoa. Ooh, baby, baby, how was I supposed to know? Something wasn't right, yeah. Oh, baby, baby. Hello, hello, hello. Hello, hello, hello. Can't you see? I'm at your shoe. Whenever we'll be together, I'll be there and you'll be here. That's my definite idea. The stone's like on its side. Oh, that's not the best foundation, is it? Ugh. Wow, can't believe this. It's literally on its side. That's done well for a couple of 100 years. Years? Wow. I have never, ever seen that before. Come. My love. Like that.
Or sideways?
Yeah.
Wow.
It's mad, isn't it?
Yeah.
You think, you know what I mean, you wouldn't dream to build like that, would you? But
What, just dug
that's
straight
been,
in the
yeah,
ground?
literally just dug in like that. Hasn't broke off or anything.
Yeah.
That's an old flagstone, you can see it, it's where it's
Yeah,
curved there. Just like that. Shows you, doesn't it?
Oh, yeah.
You wouldn't dream of building like that, but this wall's been up for hundreds of years.
Not like properly, no.
Tomorrow, you set the towel back up.
Yeah.
Spray all the way down, and then actually do the stone as well.
Yeah.
And then actually, obviously once the water's reduced or whatever, we can then carry on, get that pecking up, get that carry on with that, and then me and Andreas can go on this wall.
Yeah.
And then keep going. Do you know what I mean? And then obviously we'll point. So I mean, you can just crack on pointing.
Yeah.
Nice though, this wall, isn't it? It's quite nicely laid compared to the rest of the stonework. You know what I mean?
It's going to be lovely pointed.
Yeah. But this is definitely the better wall, isn't it? There's some older videos where like it literally is just me and Pat sat in a truck,
Right.
just talking about pot noodles.
What?
I know. This is what I'm saying to you, like it's just totally random. I won't really say that they're not exactly the most educational videos, it's just day in the life, isn't it?
Like an have here. We've got a kettle, isn't it?
You got a kettle?
Yeah, pot noodles.
Oh yeah? What's your favourite colour?
I hate that question. I've got a better answer though. I know, I thought about it.
Well, you've got a better answer than an actual
You
colour.
don't actually have a favourite colour then?
Well, no, the truth is I don't. The question is silly because if you think about it, look around you. Is there a favorite color?
Yeah.
Like all of the colors are coming together, right? And also, do you want an ice cream? I'll tell you what my favorite color is. Do I want something else? Like it's relevant to the moment or the. So it's not a good question.
Oh, it sort of is.
Oh,
Okay then. You've got a blank room. All right.
Right.
You've got a blank room. Okay. All right. You can choose a colour to paint the walls. What colour are you going to go for? Are you?
I know, I'm with you on that. It depends on the room. You're not going to paint
it's
the
a
kitchen
very
like...
specific.
You
like,
have a mug. Okay. You want a cup of tea? Okay. I have every single coloured mug. You can have your cup of tea in.
Alright, I'll ask you a
Okay.
question.
And then you choose what colour would you choose?
I will give you 10 questions. What will you choose for a wall? What will you choose for a mug? What
Dry
will you
stone.
choose to wear on
Green.
a t-shirt?
Black.
So you've got different colors. You haven't got the favorite color.
Yeah, but I want.
Everyone's got a favourite colour.
Yeah. Well. Yeah.
You've got a favorite color for different occasions.
Okay, all right. I'll rephrase. I'm just saying to you. My question is, I have every single colour in
I'll put
every
all of
known
them,
colour
all of them.
in the mug. You want all of them, but you
I'll-
only
I'll-
allowed one
I'll
cup
draw
of tea.
nature.
You only allowed one cup of tea. What colour would you choose? So obviously, for me, green. I just like green.
For me, blue.
I won't give you an answer.
All right.
just
See,
for
I take you don't have a favourite animal then, no?
No, I don't.
Well, don't get into that one, mate.
I do. Hippo. I love hippos.
Have you met one?
Huh? No. I don't really want to. That's an animal I don't really want to meet, to be honest with you.
That's why.
They're
Love your enemies.
That's it, exactly. Oh, no, not a baby.
Bob, what a
hippo.
hippo are they? Yeah, where are we going?
If you guys go to Cyprus, I will send you to this abandoned village. It was a Turkish village. Well, no, listen. Why you laugh?
That doesn't sound attractive.
That's where he's going to murder us.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I won't be there, don't worry. It's basically lots of empty small houses.
Yeah.
Most of them are occupied by donkeys. And the rest of them different kind of animals. It's really weird. It's full of stone, amazing stone there, by the way. But
Yeah,
you
man.
can't bring it here, obviously.
Is it Krakow? It's not Krakow. It's like Krakow. Krakow is that village I was telling you about in Turkey,
Right.
not far from Fethiye.
Right.
And it is obviously you remember I showed you on the excursions. There's that village where it's called like Krakow or something.
Yeah.
And it's got the cable car. But basically, it's a ghost village, and it's all these lovely stone huts, but it's just completely empty.
Yeah.
I don't exactly know why, but like, yeah, I really want to go there next time I go. But that would be, cause you could do a night tour.
Right.
That'd be
really?
quite, yeah.
I mean,
I'll show you later. I'll show you a picture. It's beautiful. Literally, it's beautiful. Like the stonework is absolutely amazing, and nothing's moved. It's old. I don't, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Would you rather visit China or Japan? Japan. Oh, why? Because you look at the toilets.
I know I've always wanted to go to Japan.
Oh, actually, you have
Yeah.
actually. Yeah.
See?
what about the toilets?
Well, they got like really advanced self-cleaning toilets.
So
haven't they?
cleaning your bum or something.
Yeah.
I don't want to do that.
I like it. I like when my finger goes to the paper.
Throw water in your bum or something.
No,
like
it's a jet.
It's just self-clean. You basically just sit down, you pull your caps down, and away it goes. Samurai and stuff. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah, see, that's a big thing for me. Do you know, like, I read something about it. You know, like the underground, they dug up and there was a bunch of terracotta soldier statues. in
Yeah,
China.
the terracotta army.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
I'd like to go to something like that.
Is that China?
Pretty sure it's China, isn't it?
Yeah, I don't know. Right, might have to swap with you in a minute because I can only get the big stuff off because this pick's too big. Beating off the big meaty bits. You know, like a pork pie?
Right.
You know what it is? It's like a pastry thing where you've got like sausage meat inside.
Okay, sure. I noticed that.
You set yourself up then, didn't you? Boom! Tuesday done. Day 5 in the bag. Lovely jubbly. So today is pretty much the end of the prep days. It's been quite nice doing it this way. Normally it's sort of like, you know, crack on, just do it, just lob the stone anywhere and crack on. But it's been nice because we've actually sorted out the stone into piles. I've got cornerstones, I've got big stones, I've got rough stones, I've got little stones, I've got, you know, all that malarkey, and it's quite nice. And we've had a few trenches to dig out, obviously a lot of pecking out as well. So it's been nice to sort of really just crack on with it and just get everything properly prepped, because sometimes you just crack on with a job, and this one's been lovely because, you know, we really want to do a good job on this, and we will do a good job. But it's just yeah, it's been nice that we've actually had that whole pointing colour, you know, scenario going on, which I think is really good, because I think as well, like normally you get these jobs and you just whack on a sort of traditional line mix or whatever, and it's actually been quite nice to play around with it just for actual like further education, you know what I mean, for like further education, you know what I mean, like for further sort of purposes, if you know what I mean, like, you know, so if we come to a job, we've actually, you know, really actually had the opportunity to play around with different mixes and try different sands, stone dusts and stuff. So we've rattled it down to 2 anyway. So tomorrow the client will choose one, and then we are gonna boom, 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 crack on with pointing and actually see some progress. So that'll be quite exciting, because last few days, well, what is it? Yeah, today's day 5. It's been pretty much go, go, go on the prepping stuff. Excited to get on with that and yeah, see some mortar on the wall, you know what I mean, actually see some progress. But it is all prep, and sometimes it's nice, especially when you got the opportunity. But even that, you know, you should always have the opportunity, but always prep well, because like I say, we will benefit from it in the long run. Like I say, but it's all part of the day-to-day life, as I say, you know what I mean. But yes, anyway, roll on tomorrow, roll on Wednesday, day 6, baby. And yeah, like I say, we'll have a look at that pointing sections, and yeah, get a decision made, and we can get crack-a-lacka pointing. Yeah. Anyway, thank you very much for watching, and yeah, roll on tomorrow, and we can see something different than just digging and pecking, because even though exhilarating that is, it's good to see something new in it. But anyway, yeah, thank you for watching, take care, and I'll see you in a bit.